We're here at the Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon near Madras. Oh, look at how peaceful this beach is. Gentle waves, very lightly crashing on the shoreline. This is gorgeous. Can I interest you in a high desert wonderland? Standing here on the shoreline of Lake Billy Chinook, Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon near Madras. And look at the beauty of this lake. This is ridiculous. Loving the canyons across the way, the tall sheer cliffs. This is a boating, fishing, kayaking paradise. I think you can see why. The beautiful Lake Billy Chinook. I'm sitting here at a picnic site of the Crooked River day use area. And look at the beauty of Lake Billy Chinook. This is Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon near Madras. And you can come, have a seat right here, take a load off, have some lunch, enjoy the shade of this juniper tree, and admire and enjoy the gentle, soothing waves crashing on the shore of incredible Lake Billy Chinook.